The wall eyes light up being good, nice.
I have taken the passes. I've done the final rendering, kept the passes ready for post production.
For post production it's ready. How much
Yes.
time it this is the final render which I'm
Yeah,
seeing
this is the
right now?
final render. It took about 44 minutes.
44 minutes. Okay,
Yes.
nice, nice, nice. Good, good, good. Wow, you added new trees over there and
Yeah, I've added new trees over here,
okay,
little trees
fine,
here with
fine,
some
fine.
lighting work. Then try to change little here and there random the window blocks.
Acha, हाँ, yes, 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 yes.
Mm.
Looking more natural.
Yes.
Looking more natural, giving more natural effect.
Yes. Try to change here and there little.
Yes, yes, yes. Looking nice, looking nice, looking nice, 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 nice. Okay, let's do color correction.
Yes, sure.
Let's come to Photoshop. You will do the color correction. The same process we will follow
Yeah.
as we did the for the day view,
Okay.
and I will guide you. If you lack somewhere, I will then I will guide you. Okay.
Right, sir. Right.
Start with alpha. First, get the alpha in Photoshop. Yes, and then bring all the passes on top of this alpha. Effect result to Y color. Yes, group it of the eye icon.
Okay, you want me to group everything now?
Group. Yes, group all the passes. Yes, yes. First, only alpha will be visible,
Yes.
and effect result, and then RGB. RGB, you need to make some changes.
Yes. So this is our effect result.
This is the final effect. Can you zoom on effect result? I just want to see the clarity. Just zoom on the image. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. The wall bump is coming out really nice. The bump effect on wall is coming
Buff
out
effect
really
on the
nice.
wall.
Walls are coming really nice. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Good. On RGB. Let's start RGB layer. Yes, yes, I have seen the output. It's coming good.
Linear does no, sir.
Linear dodge. And for night, try to take color dodge. Linear
Color
dodge
dot.
give you more brightness.
Okay.
Try to take color dodge.
Okay.
Reduce the opacity. Increase slightly. Increase slightly.
Enough. Little more.
A little more.
40, 45.
Mm-hmm. 45. Make it 45 only. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Fine.
Okay. Then I have to bring extra text, right?
Bring extra texture. Yes. Perfect. Reduce the opacity. Zoom to the corners of your elevation. Zoom to the
Okay.
corners of it so that you can see the contact shadow. Yes, and then try to control the opacity. On off.
Yes.
You see the contact shadow is coming good, no?
Yeah, I
In the
think this
corner.
should be enough. Okay.
Okay, now zoom toward the tree. Tree are not just to confirm whether the leaf are not getting too dark,
Right.
because it leaves are small portions, no? So it might get be too dark. Yeah, yeah. Try to on off the layer. Tree you don't need trees you don't need this extra layers effect.
Okay. So
Can
this
you
too much.
mask that?
You want me to mask this?
Yes, try to
Uh,
mask out that. I just want to see how you mask out, otherwise
all
I will guide you.
all right, sir. Shall I take one of the rendering elements?
Yes, take the render ID or something.
Render ID. I'll see which one is material ID. I will see, check. Wireframe. I think I can do.
Just
Yeah, I think I can do
wireframe.
with this.
Yes, just mask out the trees, plants. mm, Opposite, I think it will be
Yes.
opposite, I think it will be.
I'm trying to do inverse.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, yes.
So what I'll do is after inverter,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it, do it, do it.
I've
Bro.
done inverse. Okay,
No, no, no,
now
no, no, no.
I think pardon,
See. What happened now? Now tree will get the shadow.
shadow.
Tree should
Now,
be black. Tree should be black. Everything else should be white.
sir, once I think now I understood, sir. 1 second, I'll come back. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now here I have to inverse.
Yes.
Now it's
Trees.
correct.
Yes. Now try to on off.
Yes.
Yes. See.
This
Tree are
yes.
not getting. Now the
Yes, sir.
bottom one. The bottom one.
The bottom also you wanted?
Yes. 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 Yes.
All the this bottom also.
Bottom plants also. Small tree. Small plant or tree is
So
there.
I don't know whether this will.
Go to another ID. See render ID or material ID. If you get help from there. On render ID. On material ID. Just on the icon. Yes. This one
I
help
can.
you.
I'll get this. Yes. Sir.
Yes. Yes. Render ID is there. Layer. Select the layer first. Click on the layer first. Yes. Now click. Yes, perfect. Hmm. Okay, fine.
Oh, before that, yes, I have to inverse. No, I can paint it also. Once again.
In the same thing,
The
in the
same thing.
same
I can
mask.
paint it.
In the
I
same
can paint
mask,
it,
just click on the mask. Yes,
and I can paint it black.
black. Yes, perfect. Just alt. Wait. I tell you. What you're doing is good, or you
Okay.
can do alt del, alt plus del. Just click alt plus del.
Alt plus Delt.
Delete. Yeah, it's become black.
Yeah, black means then it's gone now, no?
Yeah, when it's come black, that means it will not receive the effect.
Yes. So
Hmm.
now there is no effect on this.
There is no effect. Yeah,
Yes.
good. Okay, we move forward. You can do the later, the rest of the plants if
Oh yeah,
needed.
that's
Otherwise,
what.
it's okay. It's okay.
It is not visible also, sir. We can
Not
leave it as
visible.
it is.
Yeah.
Yes,
We
yes.
can leave it.
Yes.
Okay, move forward. What other further?
Some one of these lines are coming. I don't know what is that.
Acha, where?
See this one.
Shadow something.
Yes.
Erase that.
Yes.
Erase that. Or mask out that. Click on the mask layer and take brush.
Now it's not visible. So
No, no. Wait. I tell you. Wait. I tell you. Just click on mask. Just single left click on the mask.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. That is left click. Now take brush. Now it should be what
Small
black.
brush.
Yeah. Just click and click on top of that line. Yes.
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 Yeah.
Perfect.
It's done. Yes.
Fine.
And here also
Done.
I can mark it out if I want.
Yes. Randomly, just
Ran-
randomly click.
randomly. Okay.
Randomly brush it out.
Yes.
Okay.
I
Done.
can done.
Done.
So that is done. Okay. Right, sir. Next.
Next. Go to next pass.
Next is global illumination, right?
Global illumination. Yes.
Uh,
Now see this global illumination, virial lighting. These two give you a very slight effect of contrast. It will
okay.
make the texture look more. What do you say? More contrast kind of. But use
Okay.
very few, very little. Maybe 5 or 10. Otherwise, it will make your scene very dark. Yes. It will add contrast to your scene. Yes, and virial light
So,
also.
5 is sufficient, I think.
Yes. Very
Okay.
few. Add very
Yes,
few.
sir. Right. Add the virial lighting.
Virial light as well.
Screen. I have to make screen virial light.
Yes.
10, I think, should be okay.
Yes.
10 is okay.
Hmm.
Then I'll add reflection.
Reflection. Yes. Go to reflection. Video reflection. Screen. Yes.
Before that, let's see how much, too much of brightness.
Hmm. Hmm. 50% will work most of the
That's what I
time.
think.
50% is enough.
So this is enough, I think.
Yes.
Then refraction, there will not be much of refraction because since it is a night.
Maybe on car glass you will get some effect. Just on the reflection and try to on off the eye icon there. You see
On
the
the
car
light.
headlight. Yes. Go to screen. Yes.
So let
Yes.
it be 100%, no, sir?
Then make it 50. Otherwise, you will see that nobody is there on car. No, make it 50%.
Okay.
Yeah. Enough.
Yes. Okay. Then specular.
Specular. Yes.
Now on the plants, it is plants and trees.
Yes.
It's working on
Plants and
plants and
trees.
trees.
Let it be 100%.
Let 100%.
Let it be 100%.
Fine. Then
Okay.
the
Now
left out
what
is the total lighting.
total lighting. Select the layer. Yes. Screen. Reduce a bit. Yes.
15, I think it's.
50. Just on off the eye icon.
Okay.
Enough. Yes. Enough. Good.
Uh,
Nice.
That's it now.
Yeah, that's it for the passes that we have
Passes.
bought.
Okay.
This much only we will do over here.
Okay.
It give you a very nice effect. I can see it's looking very nice night scene. It's actually looking like a night scene.
Night scene. Now we'll
Yes.
slightly brighten the sky so that let's look
Yes.
like evening shot.
Yes.
Evening view.
You can add some evening cloudy kind of. Later on, you can also add
Later
if
on
you
we'll
don't have
see.
right now.
Okay.
Cloud later on you can mask out.
Okay.
Just close this
Group.
group and yeah.
Go
Now
for
we see
curve.
the color correction of Photoshop.
Curve.
Yeah. First is no, not curve. First, I tell you, close that. Go there. The effect. No. Yeah. Go to effect. Start with the photo filter.
Oh, correct. Photo
First,
filter.
yes.
So cyan.
Cyan. Take cyan because it's night. Yeah. The- Take it, make it 0, and then gradually increase and see.
That's what I do.
Yes. More, little bit more. Enough. Yes, perfect. One of the eyes. Yes, you see the walls there. Little bit of blue tint is coming over there on the left side
Yes, the
walls.
wall. Okay.
Yes.
I can do.
It's good.
So
Okay.
next is curve, sir.
Next, see what we have. Just go there. I think after photo filter we have this hue saturation. Increase slightly. See the color of the leaf and the plants.
Okay.
They will be more effective things. I think enough for that is enough. And also the light. You see the light.
Yes, sir.
It will be more bloom kind of effect. Their light.
Right.
Yes. Good. Nice. After hue saturation, curves. Yes. Take help of curve. Yes. High class. Increase slightly. Yes. Yes. Enough.
Enough.
Yeah. Looking nice. Just on off the layer icon and see. Yes. Perfect.
Brightness and contrast.
Yes, of course.
Levels is not required, sir.
No.
Okay. Brightness and contrast.
Brightness and contrast only. Nice. Enough. Try to contrast a bit. Enough. Try to on off the icon. Eye icon. Just see. Okay. Try to reduce the opacity. I think it's too much. Try to reduce. Little bit more.
50%.
Just on off the icon. I button. That's just on off. Yes, perfect, perfect. This much only.
Okay.
Very slightly you need.
Yes.
Looking good to me. What do you say?
It's really nice. Good. Very good.
Came out really nice as expect. I think this much I have not expected, but it came in first try only.
Okay.
You see, on my other classes now, I make my student do 2-3 times.
Okay. Okay.
I say delete in front of me and do it once again.
Okay.
But you did it really nice, and that's so. I will say like 90% is your work only. Only 10% I have guided you
No, sir.
because
So
you already know
I already
the
know,
tool.
but I know the proper, after you taught me the proper procedure, I
Yes,
could,
yes,
I could easily implement that.
yes, yes. Of course, yes, Prasanna. Yes, yes.
Right.
Now we add our little effects, side effects,
Oh yeah, we
lens
will
effects
go.
and all.
We need sharpness. No, sharpness we need.
Yes, sharpness. Yes, first make
Yes.
the
Got it.
extra things.
Filter, sharpen, smart sharpen.
Smart sharpen.
Hmm.
Yeah, yes. I think sharpness is too much. This reduces 150.
This is for the bare render we have done it. No, that's the
Yes,
same
yes,
process.
yes, yes. Make it 120, 130. Just reduce a bit sharpness amount. 120. Make it 120, 120 around. Just can you move this palette little bit right so that I can see the background, the palette, the entire palette. No. The entire palette, the sharpened palette.
Okay. You mean to say how, sir? Down or up?
No, I mean to say this sharpen palette is open. No, this is smart sharpen. The name is smart sharpen written on the top.
Yes, sir.
Just click and move this palette a little bit right. Yes, click there. Yes, yes,
You
yes.
want to say right.
Now, yeah, now on the preview button, on of the preview button there. You see the effect there itself.
Yeah, we can see some difference.
Yes, I think this much effect is enough
Okay.
for sharpness. Yes, how much it is? 130, 124, 124. Okay,
120
fine,
I will make it.
fine. That is good.
So here we can see the difference now. So we can see it on
Yes,
the trees,
the trees will see, yes, and the sharp lines kind.
top lines of
The
the railings.
railings, you can see the difference. Okay, perfect, Prasanna, perfect.
Then the next.
Next, you tell me what is left.
Next we can give bloom effect.
Yes, go ahead. Give first group this layer. No. For close that group
Okay.
everything. The new created layers. Group that. Yes.
Oh no,
No.
sir.
No.
Yes.
Yes. Now create a new layer.
I will try to give
Yes.
bloom effect to this
Bloom effect.
lights
Yes.
now.
Yes. All the light source will get bloom effect.
Okay. So before that, can I improve the sky?
Yeah, of
Bring
course. Go
what
ahead. Go
what
ahead.
I can do is I can bring alpha.
Alpha is already there.
Yeah. For the selection again.
Alpha is there only at the last the
Right.
first this thing, the
Yes.
first layer. Just click the first layer, yeah, and then click the sky, this sky there. W. Yes, magic wand.
Okay.
Yes, right click and select similar. Right click, select similar. Yes,
Okay.
you got it.
So now what
Yeah,
I can do is I can
mask that out. Yes,
close this. Okay. Mm. So can I improve on level, sir? First,
yes. Do it.
because we need of more of brightness, you know.
Yes.
This much is enough.
That is good. But what I am trying to say is,
We'll
change
add,
the background only.
yeah,
I want some kind of
yeah,
evening cloud kind of
that we
effect.
can bring from outside the sky. That,
Okay, fine. Oh, fine, fine.
as of now, I
Okay,
take a
fine. I
picture,
understood,
prefer the
understood,
better.
understood, understood, understood.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine, fine.
So after finishing everything, we can bring the sky from the
After
outside.
finishing, you can
After
bring
finishing,
fine.
I can bring.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Yes, yes, perfect. Nice. So don't change to screen right now. First, do the this thing. Brush it out
Everything.
first. Yeah, brush it out everything, and then change to screen. Yes, yes.
That's all. And this one.
Yeah, the lamp post, the light on the walls or the of your elevation also little bloom effect act there also. Increase the size of the yes. Increase the size of yes.
So this is not visible now, sir. If you have to do it this also.
Yeah, do it. That will be visible. The bloom effect will be visible there itself. Click 2 3 times there. Yes, you see that is visible there itself. Yes, just 2 3 times is enough. Good, good. Okay, okay, enough. I think that's good. Now change to screen. Yes, perfect.
Now we can see the.
Yes, yes, nice. Coming out nice. Yes.
Right.
Now lens effect.
I forgot to download. Can I download now?
Yeah, yeah. Download. It will take hardly
Uh,
1 minute or 2 minutes.
so which one you want me to take?
Uh, uh, take two. First, the straight line. You see. Wait. Hold on, hold on. You see this red
This one,
color.
sir.
The little bit up,
This one
little
is
bit.
better.
Yes, yes. That one. That one for the car headlights, front
Okay.
lights. Okay, with the
Okay.
straight lines and all.
Okay.
First, take that. Make sure this is the high quality, huh? High res images. Just click tools, your size, and take a large. Yes. With the first one is also looking nice. First row of the eyes.
Okay.
Wait,
So this
the
one, sir.
left one. That yes, yes. That
This
we
one.
will use. Yes, 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 yes. The first one. Take it. It's okay. We'll mask out.
It's a direct download, sir.
Right click and download. Yes, take it. Right click and take download. Save image.
So
For the headlight, we need this kind of straight line, straight rays.
it should be in JPEG or JPEG. It is getting
JPG, yeah,
downloaded.
fine, no problem. Yeah, JPG will work.
Okay. Yeah, done.
And
Okay.
we need a star kind of for the this thing, no, the wall lights and all.
This one you want?
Uh, no, not that much of this thing. Let me see some others. Oh, take that only. Take that only. It's okay. It's okay. Take that only. That one. Yes, take
There
it.
are
Take
two,
it.
sir. Which one you want? This or that?
Take the second one. This one.
This one.
This one. Yes, yes. That one. That one only. Take that one. Resolution is also nice. 1600 by 1600. Yes. Yes.
And for
Enough.
the sun,
Enough.
for the sun, we have to take something.
Acha, no, no, sun for daytime you might have to take.
No, oh, sorry, not for the sun. Right.
In night you
So
don't
I
need.
will. You tell me. I will download and I'll use it for the daytime.
Where you see
Sun
that one,
effect. I think. Yes, something like this.
where you see the circles.
Yes.
No. Come. That one. That the pink color one. Move up.
This one. Yes.
Yes. That can circles.
I'll
You.
download and keep it. I'll use it for the daytime.
Yes.
The resolution is 250 by 250, sir. Is enough?
No. At least 1000, more than 1000. There are many other effects. Just see. At least more than 1000.
This one?
Which one? Which one? I'm not getting.
This
Ha.
one, sir?
Nice. Very
1200
nice.
by 70.
Ha. Very nice. Yeah, that will work. Even I think I have this one same effect.
Okay.
Very nice. This will work really fine.
Yes.
Yes. Enough.
Enough, sir? No?
Enough.
Now I have to create one more layer for that.
No, not needed. That is on a separate layer only. You just bring it here, over here. The
So
effects.
this is not needed now.
Extra layer is not needed. Only the bloom layer is there.
Oh, it's on the bloom layer itself. Yes.
Don't delete. Just on off the icon and see what is there in that layer. On off the icon.
This is the bloom layer, sir.
Bloom layer only, na? Okay,
Okay.
fine.
I can change. And as bloom now. Okay.
Okay, yes, fine.
So let that come on the same layer now. Okay.
Yes.
First I take the car one.
Car, yes, of course. You meant attraction.
Mhm.
Yeah. The screen. Yes, perfectly done. Resize and adjust the position just. Control T, do Control T.
That's what control T I did.
Yes. Don't erase, use mask.
Okay.
Don't erase, never erase. Masking is such a great option we have. If you need anything, you can get it back. If you erase, you will not get back.
Okay. I have taken the mask now.
Mask
Now
and take black color. Yes. Brush it out. Yes. Brush it out the edges. Only the edges.
no, sir, it's not good. This has to get selected, no?
Reduce. Yes, that layer is selected. A brush tool. You're using eraser tool. No. You're using wrong tool.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Use brush tool.
Okay. Brush tool opacity is 100%, right?
No, take 100%. Don't take 100.
Okay.
70. Yes. So that you can click 2-3 times. It will give you more like natural effect.
And the flow, sir?
Sorry, what?
Flow.
Flow also like that only, 70, make it 70%. Enough. Yes, that is enough. Yes. Brush hardness, just see brush hardness, softness is there, no? Brush is
Softness, sir.
soft. Okay, fine. Soft. Yeah, correct. Only the edges, remove the edge.
Okay.
Done. Perfect. Just zoom there on car and try to adjust the scale things, no? Is it coming proper? I think it's coming proper only.
Okay, sir.
Yes, perfectly done. Yes.
Should I duplicate this?
Yes, go ahead. Just press alt and drag. Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Looking
Now
nice,
this is
looking
done.
nice.
I
For
forgot to
tail
add
light.
the tail light.
Tail
That's it.
light you missed.
I
Anyway.
forgot.
Okay, no problem. It's okay. Yeah, continue.
So what I can do is I can just give a this one effect or red effect for
Red,
this
yeah,
one
with the help of
with the
brush
help of
tool,
brush.
you can. Yes.
So this is done now. I will bring the starlight
For
for
the
this.
light, yes. Bring the starlight for the wall eyes.
Okay. This one.
Yes. Bring that. Just drag and drop. No need of doing that.
Okay.
Close that. Just just go open that folder. Just drag that image on top of the image over here. Yes. Enter. Yes. Screen. Perfect. Yes. Very nice. Hmm. Yes. Increase the size a bit. At night it should be more visible. Should be really visible at night.
Okay. Little more,
Yes.
sir.
No, enough. This is enough. Duplicate and rotate. It should be little different. Try to make it little different. Yes. Just rotate a bit. Yes. Enough. And
That's
perfect. Yes. Do this for all the lights you have. The wall light on the elevation.
good for the wall light.
Yes. There as well. Yes. Just reduce the size because they are. It's not that much needed. Just bring on top of the. Yes. Enough.
So you want me to rotate?
Yes. Rotate. Do Control T.
Control T.
If you do Control T, then also you get this the same option. You'll get this
Right.
Control T and then rotate button. Yes. Enter. Just copy that. Control T you can do. You get more effect. And with the help Alt key,
So now I have to make
copy.
now
Yeah.
I have to copy, right? So copy
Yeah.
is Alt.
Alt and just drag.
Yes.
Zoom out there. Just do Control T. Make sure that is selected. Control plus
Control
T.
T.
Yeah.
Yes.
Press Alt. Can you? Acha. Enter. No. Alt and drag. Acha. Control T you not able to.
Wait, not that. Yes.
Yeah. On dark areas it look really nice.
Yes.
It give a very nice effect in dark areas.
So can make out that effect, right?
Yes. Coming out really nice. Hmm. Yes, perfect, perfect.
There's
Hmm.
no light, I'll just add one here. Assuming that there is a ceiling, there's a light.
Okay, fine, fine. Yes, yes, of course you can do that. Yes, yes.
Anything is left out? I think here, I think.
In
Here.
entrance, yeah, entrance. You
Entrance.
have the.
And for the street light also.
Yes, yes. For street light also add some. Nice, nice. Street light also look nice.
Anything left out, sir?
No, 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 no. Let me see. Coming good. Take care of the shadows. I think shadows should be more visible at night.
So
If
which shadow,
if
sir?
the person just under the lamppost, not the front one, the front person. Yes,
Okay.
the blue jeans. Can you
Okay.
zoom out there? The shadow. I just want to see the shadows. The zoom out there. I just manually with the help of brush tool just dark some areas over there. No?
Here. So I
Yes,
will take one
just
more layer now.
take one more layer and first make a group. Everything should be properly arranged. Make a group of all the extra layer that we have created. Yes, just group it out. Take extra layer and shadow of all the this human characters. No, just try to add little bit brush with little dark color. Create that shadow. Shadow is needed. It's very important.
So you here now, sir?
Yes, yes. Don't make very long shadow because light is just on top of the human. No, so shadow will be not long.
Okay.
Short shadow. There will be a short shadow because the light is just on top of the human.
Okay, sir.
Just dark the area near the shoe. Make it little dark more near the shoes. The contact shadow of shoes and this road. Make it more darker, more darker, more darker,
So I
more
have to
darker.
increase this.
Increase, yeah, increase the opacity. Yes, of course. Increase opacity, increase the flow. It should be clearly visible. The dark area should be clearly visible. Contact shadow. Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Hold. Don't just single click and drag. Otherwise, you
Okay.
get a circular kind of. See the spot kind of you're getting
Yes, yes,
shadow.
sir. I will take that.
Reduce this flow and opacity. Reduce it little bit. Make it 50-50. so that you can make a stroke 2-3 times. First one will be very light and then it will just click and drag. Yes, yes. And then you can reduce the opacity if you of the layer as well if you're getting too much. Increase a bit. Make it 70-80%.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, perfect.
Can see the difference.
Ha. Yes, perfect. For all the human characters, no? The lady over there,
The lady, the shadow is the front actually.
just see there at the front.
The front, no sir.
No, at the back. You see the body is how the body receiving the shadow.
It should be like
The
this.
light is coming here. Light is coming from the front. Yeah, the body is the
So it's
dark.
coming like this, so it's here I think.
Yes, yes. At the back portion. Yeah, at the back portion, she should receive shadow. Just try to create a contact shadow near the shoes and the ground. Yes, yes. Enough. Small the brush. Small the brush size. Just small the brush size. Reduce the size of the brush
Okay.
and
Enough sir?
create one more layer. Create one more layer. Because
Okay.
once you are happy with one layer, do not try to work on the
Okay.
same layer. Create a new
Fine.
layer, and
Okay.
this is just for experiment purpose. No, create as very yes soft, just near the shoes. Yes,
Okay.
enough. Yes, perfect. Now on off the eye icon and then see the difference.
Yes.
Yes, nice.
Opacity I'll reduce by 80%.
Yes, reduce opacity a bit.
Yeah. You can see the sharp shadow now.
Nice. Yes. Good.
Near the car,
Near the car tire also there should be shadows. Means the contact shadow will be very much visible at night, no? There
I'll
must be
take
darkness.
one more layer
Near
I'll take.
take one more layer.
Yes.
And just near the tire
Yeah.
dark area should be there.
Okay.
Yes, fine.
You can see that now.
Yes, perfect. Okay,
Okay, this is
done.
done.
Enough.
Now the tail light I will try to do that.
Yes.
I
Tail
will
light
take
is
some
only
kind of
left.
red color.
Yes, perfect.
Okay.
Nice. I think we are done over here. I think we got a very nice night
Okay.
scene render.
Now, sir, you tell me how to change the sky from bring the sky from outside and change it here.
Same masking we will be going to need. First
Okay.
save this file, Photoshop file. Save Photoshop file, and then
Sir, while bringing, should I bring it always in the tip?
I think Photoshop will be more likely to have
Okay.
keep Photoshop format.
Yes, tip. No, when I'm bringing from the max render elements, should I save it in TIFF?
Yes, that time you have to save in TIFF.
TIFF.
TIFF
Now
will
it is PSD. Now it
high.
is PSD.
Now it is PSD. Yes. When you render anything from 3D or this is software, no, try to give in TIFF or Targa.
Okay.
Targa give you second preference. The first preference give to TIFF. You will get very high HD quality output then. For background, you have any background skies, evening skies?
We'll download, sir. Hold on.
Yeah. Okay. You download then. Just search evening sky or something high res. we have a blue tint, try to get a blue tint effect.
This one?
This one, yes, perfect. Just see the size. Is it good size? We need a
800 by 248.
no. At least more than 1000. At least
1000.
just search large. You have done large option. You have selected the large option.
Right. So the
Just
high
see
solution. Or
the tools there. You have the tools option. Go to tools and make it large. Yes. At least more than 1000. On left, wait, move up a bit. On left you see the blue over here, the
This
blue
one,
one, the blue one. No, over here, left side,
this one,
left yeah, down a bit.
this one.
Yes, that one I'm talking about.
That is good. 1900 by.
Yes, very nice. This is really nice.
Then
And
I will save it.
I think this will be enough for our scene. Just bring this one will work.
Okay. So I have to bring on this, right? No?
Just bring on top of this, just drag and drop. Just click and drag and drop.
Okay.
Yes, enter.
Enter.
Hide this layer first. Hide this layer. Okay. Now we need to mask out all the. Now group all the layers. Group all the layers. Select all the layers. Yeah, and then group that. Option below. Yes.
Okay.
Now mask. We already did a mask, no? Just
Okay.
go inside.
For this mask.
Just go inside. We already did mask for the sky, no?
Yes, sir.
Just go inside.
Alpha we have to take.
No, not that. The sky. We. You remember you have increased the color of the sky.
Yes, sir. That
Where
is,
is-
I
where
think,
is
not
that?
not in this.
Where is that?
Um,
No, it is not there. The top one, the top group, the group 3. Just see which layer it is. This one, the curve one. Yes.
this one. Yes, sir.
Now do what I'm saying. Now wait, hold.
Sir.
Press this control. Just press control and click and drag it. This.
Okay. Press Control
Yes.
and drag the mask there.
Okay, wait, because you're not able to see the top layer. You have to see the top layer to copy this.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will gonna be difficult. Or do one thing: just control and just click over there on the curve. Control and click on the curve.
Here, sir.
No, on the mask. On the mask.
On the mask. Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
sir.
is selected. No, now come in that mask we have created there. No,
Okay.
there. No. Group 4 mask.
One second, sir. Then this is not the one,
Off
right?
that. Yeah, group 4.
Okay.
Group 4. Go to group 4.
Group 4.
Click there on the mask.
Oh.
Yes, and alt, apply the black color. Over here you should have a black color.
Okay. So this should have a black color, right?
Yes, apply black color over there. That will mask out everything.
I think we have to brush it, I think.
Okay, hold on a second. Wait, hold on. Wait, I'll tell you what you have to do.
Okay.
Now, delete that mask. The white, the group for mask you have, that's delete that.
This one. Okay.
Yes. How you delete?
Direct delete.
The- No, that click and drag toward the bottom you have the recycle
Okay.
bin. Just click and drag, drop on recycle bin. Delete it. Okay, now this is now just click on the mask option there. Bottom you have the mask option. Just
Yes.
click there. Click once.
Okay.
No. Control Z.
Inverse I have to make.
Now alt. Wait. I'll tell you. Press alt button and then click on the mask option. Press alt. Yes, perfect. Now close this this layer. Close this layer. No, yes.
Okay.
Now bring the top layer down. No. Down. Not on that. Down. Yes, perfect. Now adjust it. The bottom layer. Zoom out a bit. Can you scale this image, the bottom one? The bottom one. Can you just scale and adjust? It is
Control
I
C.
Control T. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Or move it just a little bit up. I want to see the horizon line. The horizon line. The base where the sky and this thing meets. Ground and sky should meet. I want to see that line.
Here.
Yes, yes, little bit. Yes, perfect, perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Your horizon should be visible. You understood now? Horizon where the
Understandable.
sky and the ground meets.
Correct, sir.
That should
Understood
be
now.
that should be visible.
This should be visible now.
Yes, yeah, that will give you
Okay.
more natural effect. That the you can see the far grounds. That will
Right,
give
right.
effect like that.
Okay.
Perfect, perfect. Now increase the brightness of this layer. Add a new layer. Curve will help you curve. Take curve. Take curve from there. Yes. Increase the curve. Increase the curve a bit. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Enough. 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 Just on off. Curve. Yeah. Good. Good. Just zoom out. Zoom out a bit. Control minus. Control minus. Zoom out. Control minus.
So zoom out. Okay.
Okay. Hold. 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 Just want to see from far.
Okay.
Now, can you reduce just on off the icon of the curve? No. Zoom out a bit. Yeah. Zoom out only. This icon. Eye icon just on off. Wait. Off the icon. Eye icon
Okay.
off. See, when you off the eye icon, na, your sky should be little darker so that your elevation should be more highlighted.
Yes.
When you on the eye icon on it, now sky is equally highlighted. No.
It is sky is fully bright now.
Yes. So we
Okay.
don't no need that. So remove the curve. We don't need curve.
Okay.
Just off the eye icon as of now. Just off the eye icon.
Okay. So what should we take now?
I think
Just give
this is
just
enough.
give little brightness.
Brightness where to the sky.
Oh no.
No, no, no. I want my elevation to be more highlighted. So my sky will be darker only.
So this is more of bluish. Can we make it little give little less vibrant so that it becomes little whitish?
Acha, you can do that, but I'm happy with this output.
Okay. Now this is more of bluish now. It is okay.
Yeah, it is okay. See my walls are even bluish.
Okay.
That's why I took bluish sky. See, if you
Okay.
just zoom the top portion, the stairs roof on the roof. You see the stairs house.
Blue.
You see the blue tint is there, no?
Blue tint is there. Yes.
Yes, yes. That will be like complementing one another, the sky and this thing, helping one
Okay.
another.
Okay.
That's why I took blue. Otherwise, I could have taken more of yellowish kind of
Okay.
effects. So I'm happy with this sky. I'm happy with total output.
Okay.
Now it depends upon you. If you want to add anything else, you can do it.
No, we can leave it as it is, sir. Now
Yes,
my
yes,
question
yes.
is, see, this is not white, so I have to fake it little white now.
The walls?
You know, this white, we have applied a white color on the pillars and
Yes.
this.
Then
So
then
this
you
is
have to
not.
mask. Then you have to apply mask. Then.
We have to apply mask or just fake it little, give more white color on the.
Acha,
With the
how you
help
do?
of the-
Acha, how you try to do it by yourself? Let me see how you do.
Shall I do it?
Yes, do it, do it, do it. Acha, person, I have another class, so you do it that
Okay.
and try to
Fine, fine.
save that because I think more than 95%, 90% we already completed.
No problem, no problem, sir.
You
What I'll do is
can
I'll
do.
save this file. Okay, I will try to do it. If I have any doubt, I'll ask you in the next class.
Yes, yes, yes. Try to tweak as you needed, and we
Okay.
can continue this on Monday. And if you're okay with the day and night,
Okay.
first make sure that you are confident with your day and night elevation, and then we're
Okay.
going to start the interiors. Okay.
Fine, sir. Fine. Okay.
And meanwhile, I will share you one of my interior files so that we directly work on that.
Okay.
Or if you have any of your own interior file, just share it with me.
No, you can share your own interior file.
My interior file. All right, all right. I will just email you my interior files.
Okay.
And first we will confirm that this is completely done and you
Yeah.
have confidence.
On Monday we'll see little minor adjustments. Okay.
All right, and then we
Okay.
can go ahead with the interior thing, no?
Yes, sir. So meantime, what I'll do is I will try to do the post production from the beginning. Okay.
Yes, yes. Just try
I'm
2-3
try
times.
to I try to bring the results matching with this.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
If I'm
okay,
stuck
boss.
somewhere, then I'll ask you the doubt on Monday. Okay.